Now you're gone, what am I gonna do? So empty, my
Anong trip yan, Burang?
Thank you very much. Music mode out.
Sa bathtub. Ayan po, pinanghanap po siya. Nagwawalis siya ng okay, pang dancer. Try daw din. Ayaw. Ah. Kita ka rin sa'yo ka. Ayaw lang, diba? Sabi mo, ganyan ka sumayaw, Tredero, si Mama. Laki-laki eh.
Bakit ako'y iyong iniwan? Sinaktan mo ang abang puso ko.
Ayan, ito naman. Meron pang mga kaldero dyan. May kung ay dyan. Oh, seryoso ako. Seryoso
I count the moments that you're here together at last like Valentine. In the afterglow of day, we keep
Bili ano, sir? Okay na yan. Lashes. Uy. Taki.
$10.
$10.
Ay, patay na talaga.
Video to, video. Video to.
Dapat nakaharap.
If you look to your left, you'll see the American Falls. It is 180 feet high, or about 55 meters. 12,000 years ago, the falls were 7 miles, or about 11 kilometers downriver at Lewiston. You see them now at their present location because of erosion. This happens at
Dre! What's up? Wait na ano? Saan? Oh yes. Bilan mo ako? No. Baka may mga ganyan ka na. Yung sa ano, pang-open na naman ang beer yung inaano mo. No, I have enough. Kumuha ka ng plato.
Ano kanain nyo?
Chicken ba yan?
I want that and this. Or this. Yeah, or this. Okay.
Len.
I wanted. Here for some camera. Okay. She wants the candle. You didn't show them, but she wants the candle over here. Right there. Oh, she didn't. You didn't show. No. It's you.
Aray mo.
Sakto.
Niagara Port. Old Niagara Port. Ayan po si photographer namin. And ito po si Clarissa na matigas ang ulo. Ang sabi ko, uminom na ng gamot, tapos pahilo-hilo na naman. Mamaya uminom pa ulit ng gamot, Inday. Nasabi ko sa'yo. Ayan ang dalawang Brohilda. And then, ito yun. Ay, sorry. Ooh, ano yan?
Welcome to the race.
Ano yan?
Ano ba? Bago mo baril yung kalaban mo, naka ano na.
Yun yung mga sandata nila.
Musal.
Ito daw yung mga sandata nila dati.
It's okay. Hey Leo, look at this.
One of North America's most unique historic sites.
In the case of Fort Niagara, the very ground is hallowed. You're standing on the soil where it happened.
In this rare collection of original military architecture.
Falls in 1759, and you're in a place where real things happen, and I think that provides real connection with the past.
Okay guys. Nasa na kami sa loob. Hey! New Yorker. Naka-oklay si Papa. Ayan na ang grupo.
Tignan mo yung bag. Napakakapal.
Yeah, I can
Wala ka na, di ba?
Wow! Pangiti ka. Oh my God! Ayoko. Pwede tayo umakyat dun, oh. Pwede nga eh. May tao sa taas. Wow!
It's so pretty.
Wow! Ano yan? Is that a drawer or something? What's this? Storage. Okay. It's just a storage room. So scary. Parang yung sa horror movies. Mickey! Okay. Oh my God. Wow. Kitchen. I don't know. This one. Tables. So cold. Nandun sila sa taas. So, pumunta sa castle.
Nakakatakot naman dito. Ang creepy. Yan. Ito yung old boat nila, panlaban. Tapos, dyan sila nagluluto. Tapos, ito yung bed nila. Yung mga ano ba yun sila? Yung mga sundalo dati ng mga French na sundalo. May hagdan. Oh my God, it's so creepy in here. Oh, nakakatakot dun. Tapos ito yata yung dining room nila. Ito dining room nga yan, oh. May naglilinis, pero yan. Diyan niluluto. Yung siniserve na ng pagkain. Hi, good morning. How are you? I'm good. Yes. And this one is the other. What's that? Hi. Hi. Ready. Baka tandalo ka? Oh. Ayan ang chandelier. And then, oh my God, ayoko pumunta doon. Takot ako. Let's go na! I don't know. Ayoko. So scary. Parang ang creepy kasi. Ate Ellen, come here. Tingnan mo yung bed nila, oh. Mga bunk bed. So, dyan natutulog yung mga sundalo before. And what is that?
Daga ng mga,
Alak.
ano, ng mga, okay, nakakapasabog nila.
Bumpasabog.
Yeah, kung,
Tingnan mo yung bed nila doon, ah. You can't see anything in that line. May pang-lechon. Ate Jamil! Pang-lechon, ah. Pang-lechon. And ito. It's the oven. Ah! Ta-da! And oh, this is the kitchen then. Ano yung isa? I don't know, bro. Wow! Is that a real bread? Ew. Ew! Yun, angas.
Wait. 1, 2.
Yan, nahiga ka.
Thank you so much.
Oh, I wanna go out. Oh, what's that?
Dito sa loob dyan.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. What's that? Is that a whale? Dang, yes, it is.
Oh, kasama sila. 1, 2.
Ay, sos, Ginoo.
Ako din, ako din.
This one. Let's go up. Ooh, scary. Parang may patay. Oh my gosh. A French colonial soldier at Fort Niagara circa 1750. Ah. Do not touch. Okay. What's that? I wanna see. Ooh. French junior officer room. Cute naman ang late naman ng officer niya. Oh, connected yung room. See? That's like a child bed. I don't know what's this. Anyways, let's go out and go upstairs. Ay, down only nga pala to, tanga. Oh. There's a smell. I don't know the smell. Bulatin natin sila. Tagal nila, boy. Argentina? Ano? Ask them. Tignan mo, nalapit yung isa.
I can't see what the sale says. What does it say
Mga
there?
bata. I don't know. It's like number. USA 14749. I think it's the number of boats.
No.
Damn! Oh. There's a lot of book.
Is there more birds?
Yeah, nagulat nga ako. Akala ko panike kanina eh. Napasigaw ako.
Why?
Ang ganda ng view.
There's nests. There's more nests.
Yeah.
Video yun pa.
Aray mo.
Ito yung daming
Ayoko na ang lamig.
There's more in the back.
Wow. Ay, pupunta ako dyan. Ay, pwede ba? Bawal ka ta. Ay, yung basuka. Hindi, nakadikit. Nakadikit, boy. Brother, wag yung buka ako.
Ay. Thanks. Thanks, boy. Thanks. Thanks. Thank you, mama. Aray mo. Okay, go. Unboxing. Okay.
Napakupit lang. Magal naman, Michael. Ano yun?
Oh, what are you? Oh, aray mo.
Yes, malon. Oh, saan ako pipili?
No, it's just the color.
Ah, what color? Dahil mo sila naman
Kano ako yung gusto yung kala mo ba?
$10.
$10.
Dollar na lang sa timo.
I want purple or yung glitter pink.
Ay, gusto ko yung purple.
May picture tape pa pala. Ay, may tape pa. Hawakan mo malalagay dito.
Purple.
Ate Jamie.
Wag ito, $10.
Ay.
Doon ka yun? Ano yun?
Magkano yung bumili?
14.
Ang isa?
May magandang kit doon.
Okay, okay.
Purple or yung pink glitter. It's just pink. Pink. Oh no, it's white.
Ba, anong ano yan? Gusto ko lang siya kasi cute. Diba? Pang design. Ano yan?
Decorate. Wala, laruan. Parang ano, colorful balls.
Sa mall meron din yung malaki.
Hey! Gee.
Brother.
Oh my God.
Love. Yeah.
Kumain. will be die.
I'm dead too.
And I...
And I?
Thank you.
Hindi ko nagpakilala. What's your name? Muna.
Hi, my name is
Maria. Maria.
Cappuccina.
Wonderful question. Oo nga.
Oh,
Thank you for
that's
this wonderful question.
Okay, repeat.
Ladies and gentlemen, wait. Ladies and gentlemen. Wala pa rin, no-introduce pa. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you, Maria Christina.
No. I'm gonna use another name.
Ano? What's your name? Taruki Suzuki Taraguki.
No. Puetra Sinawatra.
Puetra Shinawatra.
Taru. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ate Billy.
Ladies and gentlemen, ma'am, we introduce you. Puetra Napatan.
Sinatra.
Oh, pag hindi mo na perfect, di ko to ano.
Billy,
Ano yan?
Kasi.
Hindi, Puetra si Murmura. Ano?
Puetra Sinutra daw, sabi.
Puetra Sinawatra.
Ayun, Puetra
We
Sinutra.
okay.
Puetra
Hindi,
Sinutra.
American
Sige,
name.
sige. Ano?
Jacqueline Mogo. Oh, why? Why are you laughing? Jacqueline Mogo.
Mukha.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, ano ba? What's
Game,
my
no?
name? O, ibahin na lang natin. Sige.
Ano?
Chinchansu, Chinese.
Oh,
Sige.
sige. 1, 2, 3.
Ay, hindi, ano lang, Japanese.
Oh, sige, ano?
Suzuki Taraguki.
Okay. 1, 2,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we introduce you. Suzuki Taraguki.
Ayoko pakita introduction.
Ano ba yan?
The introduction is so ugly. It's so boring. It's
How?
not lively.
Dapat sa
You can touch the audience.
We introduce you.
Billy na, nakakalay na ako dito.
Ay, tagal naman nag-introduce na ako.
Yeah.
Oh.
Welcome, ladies and
My God,
gentlemen.
there's a poses. Nagpo-pose. Kailangan continuously. Okay.
Oo, eh.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ladies and gentlemen.
She's so dead while she's talking. It's boring.
Ayoko na nga. Ikaw mo ako eh.
Okay, ako na. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we will see.
May pinagtitripan niyo si Meme.
Ayoko na nga.
Okay, thank you for that wonderful question.
Wow,
Before I answer your questions and giving you a wonderful answer, what is the question again?
Ayoko na, Meme.
Tayo na pagtripan ni Meme.
Panalo ka na, napatalo ko si Mosi.
Hoy, umiiyak na.
Translate
Yeah.
mo into English na para
Pangalan niya po ay, itago po natin siya sa pangalan, Clarice.
Si Madam. Si Nancy, ano? Si Miss, ano?
Pwede ito pumasok sa school ni Esnia.
Ano ba yan? Lulot. Iba yung lulot alam ni Andre.
Luga nga yung sinasabi niya, be.
My God, Andrew, you're so gross. Area in our life, which is
Go chocolate.
Dali kayo tapos.
Ah, go chocolate. Tabo ka daw, Meme.
Lukula.
body jumping.